guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yorelis and I do curly hair content and I also do vlogs. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys a little mini vlog, a little reset around the apartment. I took way too long to take down my Christmas tree. I was also giving myself grace because honestly, we can all collectively agree that 2024 did not start on January 1st, okay? And honestly, your new year starts when you decide, okay? Don't let the calendar decide. When you decide to get up and make a change in your life. And so I'm just doing a little bit of pre-spring cleaning, I guess, and revamping my apartment and doing little changes here and there to give life and color back into my space. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give your girl a like. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. I'm changing it. We're gonna put on Game of Thrones. Dun, 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 dun. Fast forward Ramsey every week. I hate that shit. You guys, look at my tree topper. It's leaned over. I honestly need to get a new one because this one's just like too heavy for my tree. I feel like I'm breathing my heart. So this is the progress so far. I got all of my ornaments put away. I have to just put all of this in here. But before I do that, I'm gonna move over and do the little wreath thing. And I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, not wreath. This is called a garland. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm tired. Like, I don't even want to do anything else. That like took so much energy out of me. I already committed. I gotta keep going. So I decided to take a break and I'm gonna make a plum cake. So I mixed up all of my ingredients and I'm gonna put it all in a pan. And then I'm gonna cut up some of my plums to add. Plum cake is all done. She looks so good. Hey guys, so I'm not gonna lie to you, it's been a few days. I still have my tree. She's still up, but you know what, I'm really not that mad at it. Like, it looks kind of cute here, and so I am going to put her away, hopefully. So I ended up going to the mall because I had to pick up my brand new glasses. I'm gonna show you them. They're so nice. I love them. So I went to Cohen. I had a nice hookup there. I have a really nice friend that works there. This is the box. This is my first ever Dior anything, one of many to come. Even like my friend that was helping me, he was like, damn, these are fancy. Like when he was putting them away for me. It comes in this cute case. Oh my god, how cute is this? The case alone is so pretty. Don't mind my heater, you guys probably could hear it, but this lighting is terrible, right? Girl, I look better in real life, okay? This is she. Oh my gosh, my prescription is pretty thick and they did thin them down because your girl is blind. But how pretty are my glasses? And they have like gold on the side. But yeah, they're really pretty. Can't wait to wear them. I'm gonna put them on later, not right now because I have things to do. And one thing about me, I hate when I have things to do around the house and then your glasses are like falling down. Well, then again, that's my old pair. I don't know how these are gonna be, so I just rather wear them when I'm like tranquila and laying down watching the same 2 shows I would watch. Who else is like that in the crib? Like, you just be watching the same shows over and over. But yeah, since I had to go to the mall, I had to re-up on some skincare. And so, of course, I went to Sephora. It's always so sad when you run out of like your essentials because like you have to spend money on them. And since when TATCHA's Dewy Skin went up to $72, last time I bought it was like 60 something. It was very expensive, okay? But this is the box. Honestly, to me, it's worth it. I love this cream. I've been using it for a hot minute. It got my skin looking so good, so smooth. Like, people always ask me all the time, like, what do I use on my skin? Literally, this is what I use. I use the TATCHA, the rice wash. I was gonna say the rice water. This is how it looks. Very fancy. It's really expensive to be a girl. Like, that's just how it is. Let me check what sample they gave me. Oh, they gave me a K18 leave-in mask. Oh, stop playing. But yeah, I can't wait to try this. This is really small, but I think a little bit goes a long way. It's kind of like Olaplex, where, you know, it's like a little bit goes a long way. You guys even see that? But yeah, it's a leave-in repair hair mask. Okay, I'm gonna read up on this. Oh, all right, so for the next wash day, because you know, I did my hair yesterday and she looks so good, right? Day 2 hair, she popping. But yeah, that is what I picked up at the mall. And then I did go to Home Goods because, you know, we are redecorating for the new season. And let me show you my Amazon order first. I have picked up, oh, I'm about to show you my address. Stop playing, I'm about to show you my address. I got some new pillow covers because the ones I have right now are like the Christmas ones. These are the Christmas ones, so I want to change them for a new pillow cover. And I don't want to do creams. I don't want to do white. I have so much white in my house. I have so much gray in my house. Like, I'm trying to warm up my house. Like, I feel like my house is very cold. And yeah, so I picked this color. It's like a beautiful sage green color. Like, I don't want it to be fully cream. Like, I want it to have some neutrals, but I also want a pop of color. So I feel like a sage green is like a very calm color. So that's what I got. And let me show you what I got from Home Goods. Oh, we're blurry. I didn't buy that many things. I did buy like stuff for like baking because I am gonna bake some cupcakes for my neighbors and for like my family. So I wanted to get like something cute where I could put the cupcakes in. It's like a little lunch box and then you just pop it open. And then I'm gonna put the cupcakes. You guys, I've become like a little baker now. I saw those and so I picked up the box and then I picked up this because the box comes in its own, and then when I got home I wanted to make sure that it actually fits. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. They're gonna be really cute. I'm gonna make I'm debating to making them either vanilla base and then doing like a raspberry buttercream, or just making them all like strawberry inside and then strawberry buttercream. I gotta figure out the details. So then the next thing I got, because like I said, I have a lot of white going on. Like my bed sheets are white, my bathroom towels are white, and I love that, don't get me wrong, but like I said, I want some color. I need some color in my life. So it's like a nude white print. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. I figured this is perfect since it has nude and white, and my the floor mat is white, and then I bought a beige one, so that's perfect. Like if I switch it out, they'll still match. And then I just bought a bath mat to go with it. It's really nice and soft. Oh, and you know why I love these too? Because it's actually cotton. It's 100% cotton. I don't know what it is. Why is everything polyester? Why? But yeah, let's put away the Christmas tree, and I also have to cook. Tell me you Dominican without telling me you Dominican. Hey guys, I finally put my Christmas tree away after like a whole week. I was low-key sad because I love Christmas, you know. Obviously your house gets so empty, but it's actually kind of nice. Like once I put it away and I cleaned, I'm like, oh, but you know what? I kind of like this reset. So let me show you how my living room looks right now. All right, so my Christmas tree was right here, as you guys remember. So this is my sofa so far. I have to get rid of this. I'm gonna put that away. And I only put one of the pillows so far from what I showed you guys yesterday. So I'm gonna switch this one out and then put this away and put my other robe. I mean, my throw that belongs there.